Hello and welcome. In this video, we will take a look at the smartQED Jira app. This is an app which establishes a bridge between the smartQED product, which we see here on the screen, and Jira, which is our ticketing system. The objective here is to ensure that pretty much anything and everything that we do on the smartQED product UI gets captured in the Jira ticketing system so that Jira remains our single source of truth. The prerequisite here is to establish a link between a Jira account. In this case, I'm going to use this account. It's called smartQED Tutorials. And a smartQED account, again a tutorials account, and its application within that account. In this case, I'm going to use Customer Central. So just to confirm that, we have established a link between the Customer Central application of the tutorials account on smartQED with the smartQED tutorials account on Jira. Now, once we have established that, what does this allow us to do? What this allows us to do is, I can create a new issue here on Jira, and this essentially will create a new problem in smartQED, and we'll just take a look at that. You don't have to take my word for it. So I'm going to create a new issue, let's say login failure, put in some description, something like users cannot log into the system. Pretty serious thing to happen when that happens. Now I'm going to click on create, at which point in time it will create a Jira ticket. There we go, it's done. But more importantly, it will create a problem in Customer Central application of smartQED. There we go. And if I click on it here, it will actually take me to the smartQED fishbone. Now, something that we might want to, remember is that when Jira does this for us, or when the Jira app does this for us, it will create this problem by default a priority of P3, which might not always be adequate. Like in this case, login failure is a pretty serious issue. We would like to pump it up to P1, and that is that. Now let's take a look at what Jira is telling us. So if I click here, we find that it has details that account linked successfully, smartQED create problem, smartQED 11 login failure created successfully, updated successfully. This is where we change the priority. So now we have a link between these two, and we can proceed with our investigation on smartQED, and all the updates, all the fishbone operations and activities will get pushed into Jira. Thanks for watching.